Welcome back, class 6 number system. After exercise 1 and its explanation, now we are going to discuss about exercise 1b, and the topic is comparing two large numbers and applying greater, smaller and equal to sign here. Children, there are two digits here, 1003467 and 987,965 children. Now what is the work we have to do, children? Here we will apply Indian place of numeration and we will put comma, ones, tens, hundred, then comma, thousand, 10,000 and lakh, 10 lakh. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and then lakh. Children, here 9 lakh and here 10 lakh. Definitely 10 is greater than 9. So this digit is greater than this one. So we have to apply the greater than sign. Next topic is arranging in descending order. Children, now arranging in descending order. Children, there are 5 digits here: 63521047, 7354206, 63514759. The fourth digit is 7355014 and the fifth one is 10234560. Now children, we will arrange into Indian place value, by which we will understand that which one is greater and which one is smaller. Then this one and this one means ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. 6 crore here, then 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh. The next one is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. And the fourth one 3, then 1000, 2 and lakhs 2 digit. The fifth one 680, then thousands, then lakhs, then 10 is crore. Now we will discuss, children. 6 is in crore and here also 6 is in crore and here it is 10 crore and remaining this one 73 lakh and here also 73 lakh. Means first we have to discuss this one and this one. 6 crore, 6 crore and 10 crore. Definitely 10 crore is greatest one, so this one is first. Now we will discuss this one is also 6 crore and this one is also 6 crore. Then we will see how much lakh is here. 35 lakh and 35 lakh, both are equal. Then we will discuss about its thousand, 21,000 and here 14,000. Definitely 21,000 is greater, so this one is second greater number. Definitely it will be third. Then we have to compare fourth and fifth. Which one is fourth and which one is fifth, we have to decide. This one is 73 lakh and this one is also 73 lakh, but here 54,000 and here 55,000. Definitely this one is fourth and definitely this one is the smallest one. So now this one is the descending order, children. First, then second, then third one, fourth and fifth. Same condition, children, same procedure we have to apply for ascending order. We have to arrange the digits in same way, but which one is smallest, that one we have to write first, and which one is greatest we have to write in last. So finding the digits in the particular sequence method is same. According to this example, you can solve question number 7 to 14 also. These all questions are very easy, children. Now I am going to discuss about exercise 1C. Now children, we are going to discuss about exercise 1C. The first question, if we will discuss, children, the number of persons who visited the holy shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi during last 2 consecutive years was 1378959 and 1297649 respectively. How many persons visited the shrine during these 2 years? Now children, I am going to explain about its solution, children. Number of persons visited holy shrine in first year and number of persons visited holy shrine in second year. First we will write in both year. First year the number of person is 1,37,89,509 and second year 1,29,76,498. Number of persons visited during 2 years. What we have to do? We have to add both the digits. These two digits we have to add, children. 1,37,89,509 plus 1,29,76,498. Now I am going to add these two digits. After addition, it is 2,67,66,007 persons visited Ma Vaishno Devi Shrine Board. This is the answer. Now I am going to discuss about question number 3. Question number 2 you have to do yourself. A number exceeds 37684955 by 36,15045. What is the number? Children, what we have to do? The first digit is 3,76,84,955 and it is exceeds by the other digit is 36,15,045. The addition we have to do in this question, children. So what will be the answer? It is 4,13 lakh. This one is the answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. There were 3 candidates in election. They received 687905 votes, 495086 votes and 93756 votes respectively. The number of invalid votes was 13849. If 25467 persons did not vote, find how many votes were registered. Very simple, children. In this question you have to add all the digits. You will get your answer. Now question number 5. A survey conducted on an Indian state shows that 16,23,546 people have only primary education, 97,68,678 people have the secondary education, 68,37,954 people have higher education and 26,84,536 people are illiterate. If the number of children below the age of school admission is 6,98,781. Find the total population of the state. This one is also just like question number 4. All digits we have to add, then we will get the answer. This one also you have to do yourself. Now it's the time to discuss about question number 6, children. In a particular year, a company produced 87,65,435 bicycle. Next year, the number of bicycle produced was 13,78,689, more than those produced in the preceding year. Then there are two questions here. How many bicycles were produced during the second year, and then how many bicycles were produced during these 2 years? Children, this is very good question, and I'm going to explain this question, children. Company produced bicycle first year equal to 87,65,435 bicycle. Then second year, number of more bicycle produced equal to 13,78,689. Means now we have to find out second year how many bicycles produced. Second year, number of bicycle produced equal to 87,65,635 plus 13,78,689. Now we have to add to find out the production of second year. Number of bicycles produced in second year is 1 crore 1,44,324 bicycles. Number of bicycles produced in 2 years, what we have to do? We have to add the production of first year, means this one, and the production of second year, means this one. Then we will get the production of 2 year of bicycle. First year's production is 87,65,435, and second year is 1 crore 1,44,124. The total production of these 2 years is 1 crore 89,09,599 bicycle. Answer. In this exercise, there are so many questions here, children. This is question number 8. Then next page, if we will discuss, there are 30 questions here, children, and I will provide you all the questions on the link of our Vidya Devi Jindal School site, and you have to do all the questions yourself. If you will feel difficulty, then I will provide you the solution of these questions also, but before that you have to do all the questions yourself. And if you will feel more difficulty, then you can contact to me, and personally you can ask any question anytime, and my phone number I will provide now. Children, this one is my personal number, 9897070017. Name Manoj Kumar Upadhyay, mathematics teacher of Vidya Devi Jindal School. Either you can call me or you can WhatsApp your questions. On WhatsApp also I can solve your problems. In next video we will discuss about the estimation, that will be exercise 1.4. First I will explain and then solve the questions. Then we will discuss about Roman numbers, and this is enough for this video. All the best, children.